presence of the great personality, the chief guest of today's evening, Mrs. Anjali Dhanorkar ma'am. So clap for them. Mrs. Anjali Dhanorkar ma'am. I request all the dignitaries to come on the stage. Thank you, ma'am. I request Shukla sir, Secretary of Little Step Kids School, to felicitate Dr. Vinayak Pandey, Senior Research Scientist in Glenmark, and also Mrs. Kaushalya ma'am. I request Dr. Pandey to felicitate Shukla sir. दीप जलाकर आगाज कर दो. I request Renuka to sing Saraswati Vandana. या कुंदेन्दु तुषार हार धवला या शुभ्र वस्त्रावृता या वीणावर दण्डमण्डित करा या श्वेत पद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवै सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती सरस्वती भगवती Thank you, Renuka.
School family, welcome you all, and with such a gracious presence over here, I feel very honored. And the most important thing, ma'am, Anjali Dhanorkar ma'am, she has decided, she said yes to come to our school. That is a great relief for us and a great achievement for us. Thank you, ma'am, for coming here. It's not about the perfect. It's about effort. And when you bring that effort every single day, that's where transformation happens. That's how change occurs. I'm not able to communicate properly. That is why. We are growing slowly and steadily. And I am sure we will mark our presence one day. We have started our journey on 15th June 2018, and it's 1.5 years now. We have achieved to this position where we can proudly say that we are not doing the things different, but we are doing the things differently. As you all are aware of this fact, that the reason of opening the school was that we have to use playway method and innovative methods to teach our children. As I believe, we as a teacher are the builders of our nation. So I firmly believe that as a teacher is not having any right to do the mistake, because the children are blindly following us. They are the blind followers of the teachers. So whatever we do, they are blindly following it. We are very clear with our thoughts that we are here to teach children and not to trouble the parents. Some of you from the last year and this year also are new parents, are the witness of our journey so far, and I hope you will trust, you have your confidence in us and your conviction in Little Steps Kids School. I always believe that it's if the roots of the tree will be strong enough, then we'll think about the better fruits and flowers. Otherwise, when the root is not proper, we cannot expect the tree to grow properly. In the past few months, from June till now, we had taken various activities like Yoga Day. This is the last year's, switch off this light. Yoga Day, red color day, yellow color day, all the colors, green color day, white color day, all the days color. Now why the day color? And that is why we had kept the uniform of 5 different colors. Now every week if the child is wearing the different color, no need of telling them again and again that this is the red color. And one day color activity does not make any difference. But every week the child is wearing a new color. Ashadi Ekadashi we celebrated. Monsoon Masti. Now in Monsoon Masti what we did, we had provided a platform to the children so that they will, they does not feel lack of confidence should not be there. They feel proud when they are entering on the stage. Whatever, like we had given them the choices. First thing is that they can, use any rhyme, they can recite any poem, or they can do any activity which they want to do. So that is not compulsion, that is only to provide them the platform. We did Gandhi and Shastri Jayanti, Teachers Day celebration, Janmashtami, Dandiya celebration, Diwali celebration, all the major activities which we had done till now. We went to orphanage on Children's Day. The reason is that they are also the children who are, neglected people. They do not have the parents, but we went over there and we celebrated the Children's Day with them. Storytelling, poem recitation, competition. Now, last year we had started one program, Selfie with the Community Helper. Now, what was that? That was just to make aware the children the importance of these people in our day-to-day life. And this year we had organized Helpers Day, Community Helpers Day. We met lawyer, we met vegetable seller, last year we met doctor, we met MSCV powerhouse people. We went over there and meet those people because role play, what I believe, when they see that person, that impact will be there in their mind for the longer period of time. We had done the field trip also. We went to Srishti Agro Farm where the children enjoyed a lot. See, we are using different methodology of teaching based on Playway innovative ideas for teaching our tiny angels. For me, they are my priority. I also believe that I should also enjoy with them, like them, and simultaneously learn and grow. We took different activities related to the different topics which help them to understand the concept properly. Like to recognize the alphabet, number, fruits name, vegetable name, animals, etc. The list is endless, like all the innovative ideas. Raksha Bandhan we did. We never asked from the parents for this, like we are not charging from them for any single activity. We are providing because I do believe that it's not like it's just a wastage of money for every small thing I'm troubling the parents. It's not like that. So I'm not asking for all these things, but the thing is that how to inculcate various themes or like some fun games so that they will learn. It's not like that, like वो ज़माने शायद चले गए जब हमारे teachers हमें कहते थे लिखो लिखो लिखो. But now What are the ways through which they can learn as well as they can have the fun? अब जिसके भाई नहीं है वो उनको बहन मिल गई. These are the we are whatever the news are being covered by this Lokmat Times and all. Now we had started the new concept. We had just met the. This is a brief recap of the activities which we are taking. Just have a look. We just provide them this chalk. Do whatever you want. Different activities of alphabets written on the ball. They just pick the ball. Role plays, like if they are talking to each other, then how that seems to be. अगर हम कुछ बात कर रहे हैं किसी से तो कैसा लग रहा है, कैसे बात करनी है, इंट्रोड्यूस कैसे करना है अपने आप को. Now we believe that for better understanding this is required, and we have been sending the pictures of daily activity to the parents on WhatsApp group so that they will be came to know about the daily functioning. Now without taking much of your time, I would like to conclude by saying if you are working on something that you really care about, you don't have to push. The vision pulls you. Thank you so much again for your kind cooperation. Thank you so much dear parent. Thank you so much.
महफिल में यहाँ खुशी आई खुशी आई. आप आए यहाँ महफिल में, यहाँ खुशी आई खुशियाँ आई. अंजली मॅम ह्या डेप्युटी कलेक्टर आहेत हे सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे. 2010 ते 11 मध्ये जिल्हा.
मी इंटरप्ट केलं आहे इंट्रोडक्शनसाठी, कारण तिथे मुलांची किलबिल मला ऐकू येते, काही जणांचं रडणंही ऐकू येतं. त्याच्यामुळे आपण लगेच सुरू करूया. आणि मलाही मुलांचा कार्यक्रम सुरुवातीचा पाहायचा आहे, त्याच्यामुळे मी पण आपल्यासोबत जास्त वेळ असणार नाही. माझा मुलगा आता 11वीमध्ये आहे आणि मला आठवतं की जेव्हा तो 9वीमध्ये होता तेव्हापासून मला त्याच्याकडे असं बघावं लागतं, कारण त्याची हाईट तेवढी जास्त झालेली आहे. मी गमतीनं त्याला असं म्हणत असते की तू जेव्हा लहान होतास, ही आता चिल्ली पिल्ली जेवढी लहान आहेत ना, तू जेव्हा लहान होतास तेव्हा काही वर्ष तुला माझ्याकडे असं बघावं लागायचं, त्याचा बदला तू एवढा मोठा घेतोयस की आता आयुष्यभर मला तुझ्याकडे तसं बघावं लागणार आहे. आणि खरंच सांगू का, मला त्याच्याकडे असं मान वर करून बघणं अभिमानास्पद वाटतं की हा माझा मुलगा आहे जो एवढा छान वाढलाय. आणि अर्थातच आपल्या प्रत्येकाची अपेक्षा हीच असते की ही सगळी मुलं उंचीनं तर तेवढी आपल्या वर जावीतच, पण कर्तृत्वानं सुद्धा आपल्यापेक्षा खूप वर जावी. म्हणजे मला वाटतं फक्त आई वडील हे एकमेव नातं असं असतं की ज्यांना कुणाच्या तरी ग्रोथची 100% इच्छा असते की आपल्यापेक्षा खूप मोठे व्हावेत हे मुलं. आणि जर हे मुलं खरंच उंचीसोबतच कर्तृत्वानंही तेवढे मोठे व्हावेत असं वाटत असेल तर नक्कीच आपल्याला एक इच्छा ही पण असते की पण ते संस्कार क्षमतेच्या बाबतीत आपल्या कानाच्या खालीच असायला हवेत. त्या बाबतीत कानाच्या वर गेलेलं नाही आवडणार आपल्याला. आणि जर ही मुलाची कानाच्या खालीच राहणं गरजेचं आहे असं वाटत असेल आणि ते टिकवून ठेवायचं असेल तर मला वाटतं त्या आईनं जे सांगितलं तेवढं आपण लक्षात घेतलं तरी खूप झालं. ही आई जेव्हा रेल्वेतून प्रवास करत होती, एक 6-7 वर्षाची मुलगी तिच्यासोबत होती आणि कंटिन्युअस आई पण पुस्तक वाचत होती आणि मुलगी पण पुस्तक वाचत होती. आजूबाजूचे जे प्रवासी होते त्यांना आश्चर्य वाटलं की ही एवढी 6-7 वर्षांची मुलगी मोबाईल न बघता, गॅझेट कोणतंही न बघता पुस्तक कसं काय वाचते. आणि बराच वेळ झाला तरी सुद्धा तिचं पुस्तक वाचन तसंच कंटिन्यू